Hi there, students. Trove. A trove. Okay, this is short for a treasure trove. Okay, a trove is a store of valuable things. Something that you found that has great value or is really interesting or is absolutely delightful. Okay, so if you go walking, if you go in the countryside and for some reason you start digging a hole and you find a big quantity, a hoard of ancient coins, this is a treasure trove. Okay, there's even a legal definition of a treasure trove: valuables of unknown ownership that have been found. Yeah, a treasure trove. But this is only the physical technical definition. We use trove for a collection of valuable things. So for example, the library is a treasure trove of information. It's a trove of information. The photograph album was a trove of all my childhood memories. The shop was a trove of the most delicious things you could imagine to eat. The recipe book was a trove of interesting recipes that I just had to try. Okay, so a trove, a place that is full of something good. It's short for a treasure trove. You can add the word treasure if you want. The museum is a treasure trove of local history. Okay, so a treasure trove, a large amount of money or valuable things found hidden somewhere, yeah, and seeming to belong to no one. Okay, let's see. For example, in Sutton Hoo, they found a Viking ship. Yeah, and very often finds like this are declared treasure trove. Okay, but in this case it wasn't, because one of the conditions of a treasure trove is something that somebody hides and they intend to come back for it. And clearly with these Viking ships it was a burial and it wasn't something that somebody intended to come back to find at a later date. Okay, if you find a treasure trove in the UK, you're supposed to report it to the coroner, believe it or not, and then the coroner holds an inquest to decide whether you can keep it or who it belongs to or whether it's treasure trove. Yeah, if you find something on someone else's land by accident, not looking for it, and it's then declared treasure trove, you get to keep half of it and the state takes the other half. But, well, treasure trove. But we're looking at this word, a trove of memories, a trove of information. Yeah, a trove of new ideas. Yeah, the new employee of the company was a fantastic trove of new information. Yeah, valuable things. Yeah, that have just been discovered or found. So it's like the word a treasure. Yeah. My great aunt is a trove of herbal remedies for different types of illness. Okay, so a trove, something that you find that is very valuable. Let's see. As to origin, this comes from the French word trouver, to find, and let's see, this idea of treasure trove in English law apparently has been around since probably the 10th century or something like that. It originally came from Roman law. Yeah, about who if you find something that's been hidden away and it's worth a lot of money, then there's the question of who owns it. Yeah, and this treasure trove law. Yes, that's it. In the UK, it dates back to Edward the Confessor, so pre-Norman conquest, pre-1066. And in a long time ago, it was very common to hide all your valuables in a hole so that they weren't stolen, or if there was an invading army coming, then they weren't going to get all your valuables. But nowadays we use this word trove much more metaphorically. Yeah, so you could definitely say my channel is a trove of interesting words. And formality, trove, 5 in formality, use it absolutely anywhere. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Trove, treasure trove.